sir,
What team?
Mariam no.
Team? You all. I have divided you into teams.
Mariam cancel.
હા તો સર તમે
Yes, sir.
અમારો કોઈ દિવસ પૂછો છો? એક સારા તો
Yes,
વાઈ
sir.
ટીમમાં છે, પછી
हाँ
મરિયમ,
sir.
પછી આ બે નવા સ્ટુડન્ટ. બીજું કોણ છે
That day I
સરની
asked
ટીમમાં?
about you, but you were not answering. And now
ના સર
recording
એવું બને જ નહીં કે
is
મેં તમને આન્સર ના આપું.
हाँ sir, no तो
no.
आपके रूम में नेक्स्ट
See,
हाँ
yes,
हाँ
Umayani, I'll tell you. 1 minute, let me speak. That day you were there, but you were not answering. I called out your name 2 or 3 times. I
yes
remember,
sir, yes sir, we know.
and even it was
हाँ sir.
recorded. So I don't know the day, but you can watch that recording also. I think it was
Sir, I am
recorded.
Gava. Yes sir.
Recording is on.
Right now it is also on. Yes. So you all wanted English. So we begin with English.
Yes sir.
Can I read?
Yes sir. Can I read? Sir, can I read?
No one
Can
has
I
to
read?
read. Directly, do we start reading?
No no
Em-
sir, आज read नहीं करना. Sir, roll number. Sir, roll number. पाठ में जुदा कर दिया. हम कितने सालों से एक साथ पढ़ रहे
We
हैं सर.
we don't read the lesson directly. I tell you about the lesson, about the story, and then we read. What is the name of the lesson?
The new
The
school.
new school.
The new school.
See which kind of school this is. Would you like to go to this kind of school? Sitting
Yes.
outside under the trees,
No.
Yes,
open.
sir.
No, sir. Yes,
हमारे
sir.
स्कूल में इतना को मिलेगा तो भी हमें चाहिए. तो बाहर नहीं बैठेंगे तो भी चलेगा.
Means
यार
the
सर अभी
atmosphere outside in open air, your brain will work faster. Don't you think so?
कहीं पे भी स्कूल
Yes,
खोल दो
sir.
बस सैटरडे के स्कूल में ही आना. पहले
Sir.
ओरिजिनल स्कूल के बाद में
Yes.
ऐसे.
Sir.
Yes. Or every time you do this.
मरी अब 10 भी लाइन बैठी लाके सर ने 10
Still,
भी खा.
still she will say sir, and then she'll not speak anything. Now I'm telling you about the lesson, the new school.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Yes sir.
New school.
Sir, your voice is not coming. सर आपकी स्क्रीन चली गई.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes
Yes.
sir.
I stopped presenting because my voice. You are not all. You are not answering. So
Sir, but your voice is cutting in between.
okay, okay. So I presented it again now. Now, what is the story about? Well, I'll tell you, and then we'll read the lesson later on. So the new school. You already know that this story must be about the school. So this story is an extract, means it is a small portion which is taken from Tetsuko Kuroinegi's children's book. Tetsuko Kuroinegi is the name of the author. She has written the book, and the book's name is Toto Chan, the little girl at the window. That is the name of her book. Toto Chan, the little girl at the window. From that book, this lesson has been taken. So, this lesson describes Toto Chan's first impression of an unusual school that she attended. The school that you all will see in this lesson is very unusual. You have never seen such kind of school. I assure you. You will not believe that this kind of school does also existed in the past. It also describes her meeting with her headmaster, with the headmaster of the school in the unique interview. You know, for the admission, interviews are taken by the principal for the new admissions.
Yes.
So in this lesson, Toto Chan, the little girl, has to appear for the interview because she has left her old school and now she wants to get admission in this new school. That's why the name is the new school. And before that, she has to meet the headmaster. Headmaster will ask her a few questions, will check how much smart she is, and then only she'll get admission, right?
Yes.
Then, when she saw the school for the first time, Toto Chan was surprised to see that it had two half-grown trees as its gate. वहाँ पे दरवाजा नहीं था. There was no door at the entrance. There was no gate at the entrance. Sorry, there was no gate. How is it possible without gate? How could a school work? How will you enter without gate? So have you seen any school without gate? Just the two trees,
No.
like the two
No,
poles.
sir.
So now you will be surprised when I'll tell you further. You will tell me that it is not a school, but actually it existed in the past. This story is of the time when World War II had taken place. You might have learnt in social. World War II. Have you learnt? World War II.
नाम सुना है लेकिन है ना मतलब पढ़ा नहीं है ज्यादा उसके बारे में.
Means you know that two world wars have taken place up till now. इतना तो knowledge है ना.
हाँ सर उतना तो पता है.
The third has not yet taken place, and we wish it never happens. But right now we are in a state of war because of this corona, the thing that China invented. Because of that, there were probably a lot of chances that the third world war would have taken place. But with God's grace, it has not yet taken place. Otherwise, the whole world would come to an end. Social में आएगा because in 8th I am sure in textbook it is there. Then you will learn better.
Yes sir.
So in yes, and the Second World War had made a lot of mess. There was a lot of destruction. Many cities were totally vanished, totally wiped out of the map. So this is the story of the time of Second World War. Now coming back to the lesson. So when Toto Chan saw the new school, she saw that there is no gate, only two poles, like two pillars on both the sides instead of gate. And that were also not the pillars of concrete, not of cement or steel or any kind of metal. It was of two trees. There was no gate and there were only two trees on both the sides. That's it. And the name of the school was SQ. Means school का नाम SQ नहीं था. I'm talking about the word ASKEW. Means it was in slanting. Like how we see the name of our school, the banner, straight, parallelly straight. सीधा होता है ना banner. But here the name of the school was slanting. It was slanted. Maybe because of the wind, strong wind, the board, the banner had come to a angle at an angle instead of straight. That is called SQ. So inside she noticed a train. Now this is the surprise for you. When Toto Chan entered the school, in the ground she noticed a train. Now you will tell me, sir, it might be a toy train. But you are wrong if you tell me, because it was a real train in the school grounds. Real train. in the school grounds. Have you ever seen that anywhere?
No.
No, sir.
No.
No.
It was not a toy train, real train compartments these are.
Okay.
And so she was surprised. And we all are also surprised that how is it possible? The little girl was thrilled. She was shocked to know that the classes were held in the abandoned train coaches. Abandoned means not in use. This train, this railroad cars, this is also called a railroad car. There were total six. Here it only three are visible, but there were six in this school, six railroad cars. And the lectures were held inside this railroad cars, inside this train, instead of classrooms like you sit in your classroom. But here the classes were in the train, inside the train, coaches. Teachers used to teach the students sitting inside this railroad cars. So when she ran to attend the class, her mother, her mother caught up with her. Toto Chan was a child after all. She was excited. She tried to get on the train to go inside, but mother caught her up. Mother said, "You cannot go." And mother explained her that she first had to secure the admission to the school by meeting the headmaster because she was the new student. They have come there for the first time, so without getting admission, how could she enter the class? Because this trained coaches were the classes. So mother stopped her from entering. So the meeting with the headmaster was unique, and that is also a very humorous thing in the lesson that we will read. The interview of the girl, that girl, what's her name? If you remember the name,
Toto Chan.
Toto Chan. Her interview with the headmaster was unique. It was an amazing interview. And in that man, means the headmaster asked Toto Chan's mother to leave. Now, how can this little girl sit in an interview without the mother? But the headmaster told mother to leave, means to go outside and leave Toto Chan inside alone with him for the interview. So he sat down with her and asked that little girl to talk about whatever she wanted to. But that is also something different which we come to know, because headmaster will ask a few questions like, what is your name, tell me about yourself, what do you like. At least when admissions are given in first or second standard, this kind of questions are asked, general questions, formal questions. But here the headmaster asked the girl to speak about whatever she wanted to, whatever came on her mind she can speak. The child began talking about her dog. So first, Toto Chan talked about her dog that she had. Then she talked about the teacher of the previous school that she liked, whom she liked, and how well her father swam. Then Toto Chan also talked about her father, that he was a good swimmer, and how her dresses torn when she went out for playing with her friends and she returned in the noon. She tore her dresses from different places, and that is what she told the headmaster. All that she talked about was just like childish talk. So when she ran out of things, means now at a point she stopped speaking, because if you are given a chance to speak, how much will you speak? 1 hour, 2 hour? How long will you speak? After that, you will run short of things. So Toto Chan thought, now what to speak? What else to speak? So the headmaster told her that she has been accepted. Finally, after she stopped, headmaster gave her the admission to this in the school, and then she realized that she had talked constantly for 4 long hours, 4 hours at a stretch, and headmaster had listened to her patiently without interrupting her. Understood, all of you? Is it clear? Do you want to ask anything?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So you understood whatever I said.
Yes.
Yes.
Umayani?
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Yes.
Okay. Owen Fatima. She has joined today. Are you there? Owen Fatima. Faiza. Is she giving answer this year? Then Dolia Shifa. Lakhani Shifa is not there today, right?
No, sir.
Okay. Zoya.
Sir है.
Yes, I saw. I was just scrolling. I saw, so I called out. Are you there, Zoya?
Yes.
Understood.
Yes.
Okay. Then Almas. What about Almas? Sarah.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here warm up is given just for your knowledge. I'll show you what is given. You should know that the first page looks like this in case you don't have the textbook. Look at this picture. Share your views of this school in which learning takes place amidst the nature. Nature के बीच में studying how wonderful it would be. So would you like to study in such a school? Give reason. Anyone who would like to give the precious
Yes.
opinion?
तो सर आप हमें नीचे क्यों नहीं ले जाते?
You have to tell me yes or no, but you have to also give the reason to support your answer. Why would you like, and if not, then why would you dislike?
Yes, I would like to study in this types of school. Yes, because we feel fresh. The,
What else?
the lectures would not be boring also. As
Okay, as
Sir, 8 students.
हमारे हम स्टूडेंट्स भी गिन लिए कितने हैं?
yes, yes, Sarah. You were in the middle of something. You want to continue? What were you saying? Boring? It won't be boring. Then I asked you why.
सर क्योंकि ताजी ताजी हवा मिलती है नई स्कूल.
Okay, that is one thing. That is definitely, and I can say 100%. It is beneficial for health. I agree.
सर
So
बाहर
you won't
एसी की
get.
भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती.
Yeah, so we can save the electricity. The best thing. I was waiting for this. Electricity we can save.
Yes.
And secondly, we get fresh air, as she said. So, in other words, oxygen, pure oxygen
And because of
will
nature.
breathe. Yes, pure oxygen will breathe.
No need of light, fan, AC or else.
तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में आ गया कि नहीं?
Yes.
Okay. What else? And apart from this, anything else?
No.
Anyone who would dislike, you just have to give your opinion.
No,
Even
no.
if it is no, then also it's okay. But I'm just asking for
If
the
the
opinion.
weather is cool and so we would like to study in the school, but that hot summers and all, no way in the garden. Yeah.
Summer and this season, monsoon.
Yes. Only in winter we can study outside, not in
Winter
like
also it will be
at
chilling
home.
atmosphere
Yes.
outside, chilled atmosphere, you know.
सर तब तो मजा आती है सुबह सुबह. हाँ तब बाहर पढ़ने की ज्यादा मजा आती है.
Yes, only when you have covered yourself with the jacket or the sweater,
Yes.
the woolen clothes are needed.
Yes, sir.
आज मैं रीड करोगे फर्स्ट
जो तो
रीड कर
बाय बाय.
When we are talking about something, Mariam always brings something new in between.
Yes, sir. Sir, bye.
हाँ सर मैं गई अच्छी हूँ
Yes, sir.
Don't mind, I'm
No, no.
no, because you know girls have that habit. फिर पता भी नहीं चलता कौन सी बात का बुरा लगा.
सर उम्मीद और आयशा को तो लग गया.
मैंने बोला वो.
कुछ बोले ही नहीं आज तक.
હવે
No,
સર
but
જેટલો
Mayani,
જે પૂછશે ને એનો જ જવાબ આપીશ.
અલ્લાહ અલ્લાહ એવું ન કરાય ઉમ્માની.
answer.
એવું જ કરાય.
ના વધારે ના બોલાય.
सर स्क्रीन नहीं देख रही
Yes, I got a call in between, so it got disconnected. I'm sorry.
Sir, stop it.
No, no, I have not stopped it.
तो अब
D
कर
and
दो.
D.
वैसे भी 10 मिनट की देर है. अब क्या है?
No.
हाँ सर अब 10 मिनट की देर है.
ફેવરિટ સ્ટુડન્ટ છે સારા તો સરની.
तो